This is Muhoozi together with Runyankole series. Thank you so much for paying close attention to our channel, and we aim to bring you the best. Nitwenda tubahe ebirungi byonka. So it is over today. We are going to look at words, other expressions. Other expressions may mean in Runyankole ebindi bigambo, ebindi bigambo. You see that? So we have a word like Oriyo. Oriyo means are you there? Then I have a word like Niwe. It is you. Niwe wandeta. It is you who has brought me. Yeah. Ninye. It is me. Ninye nateka. It is me who has cooked. Ryanje. My or mine. Izina ryanje. My name. Ente yanje. My cow. Izina ryawe. That is your name. Ryawe means yours. Nje yanje. That's my. Omukazi wanje. My wife. You see that word yanje, nje, anje. If I say omukazi wanje, I'm meaning my wife. You get it? Omukazi wanje. Then we have oha. Who? Omushaija wawe noha. Who is your man? Omushaija wawe means you are. Noha. You are. Who is your man? Who is your man? Omushaija wawe noha. Then we go to owanyu. Your home. Owanyu ni nkahi. Owanyu ni nkahi. Owanyu ni nkahi. Where is your home? Where is your home? Owanyu ni nkahi. Owitu. My home. You say owaitu ni mbarara. Owitu ni mbarara. Owitu ni mbarara. That means my home is in Mbarara. T. That. That. Yajrati. He said that. So this T is that. Yajrati. Nvanyeta. They are calling me. Nvakweta. They are calling you. Oh, barakweta. But it is good. Nvakweta. They are calling you. I say, go and call John. Gender onyetere John. Go and call John. If I reach on John, I'll say Nvakweta. They are calling you. Then we have ogumeho. Stay well or bye bye. If you are saying a person that no, you are bidding farewell, no msibura, you say ogumeho. Then kare, okay. turumu, we are in. Wanje, that's mine. Mukazi wanje, my wife. Hihi, that is near. Then the opposite of near is hare, that is far. Then we have kodi, knock at the door. So in Ankole, if you are going to enter somebody's house, you say kodi, you are knocking by mouse. Omu stroke omuri, that is in or into. Is in omunju, in the house. Wawe, that is yours. Mukazi wawe, your wife. Fact wawe is your. Omwana wawe, if I say omwana wawe, that is your child. Your child. Then buri, that is every. Buri izuba, every day. Buri churo, buri izuba, that is every day. Which together, it is every day here. Every day. Then I have buri churo, echiro, buri echiro, that is every night. Every night, buri churo, though we can remove this and it means buri churo, every night. Then we have bingi, many, ebitoche bingi, abantu bingi, abantu bingi, that means many people. Munonga, very much. Webare munonga, thank you very much. Webare munonga, that is thank you very much. Because webare is thank you, and munonga is very much. Naruha munonga, I am too tired. If I say naruha, ukuruha means to be tired. Naruha, you say I am too tired. Naruha munonga, too tired. No why hechirenga. Munonga or echirenga. Hey, kanjende, let me go. Then we have verbs. The infinitive in Runyankole is formed by prefixing ku or kwe before a vowel to the stem of the verb. You know why we put these ones is words that we have words like kweza. It is an infinitive, so you say kweza, that is to finish. Kujenda, to go. Kwiva, it cannot be kuiva, so it becomes kwiva. Ninza kwiva, I'm going to steal. Ninza kwiva. Ninza kworeka, I will show you. If I say ninza kworeka, that means ninza I will show you. That is I will show you. Ninza kworeka. I will show you. ninza kworeka, I will show you. Then lya, that is to eat, okulya. Tuze kulya, we go to eat. Tu kulya chi, what shall we eat? So we have the subject prefixes. For these words, we have muba, class of nouns which contains all the words for human beings. Words for human beings are contained in muba class. Omuntu, abantu, munywani, omujenyi. In plural it becomes abajenyi. Omushaija, abashaija, omukazi, abakazi, omwana, abaana, omwojo, abojo. Oh God. So those words that pertain to human beings, we are going to see them as we move on. But those ones, the subject prefixes are any. It's just any, means I. Ni gender, I am going. Ninye, it is me. Ninye. Then O, that means you. No gender, no zahi. That O is you. Then we have A, he or she. Akunda, ankunda, he loves me. Ankunda, nankunda. Tu, that is we. Tujende, we go. Mu, that is you. Saying a group. Mujende, you go. You see, mujende. Then they, bajende, batai, let them go home. Viruke, let them run. Vantera, they have beaten me. Vanjuma, they have abused me. Vanjuma. For the noun, other noun class, the subject prefixes are for ki, vi. If it is in plural, it will become vi. Ekitabo, it will become ebitabo. Ekirungi, it will become ebirungi. Ku, ma. Oh. We shall see this class where ku, in singular, plural it becomes ma. Then mu, mi, that is a verb also. When they are mu, omujera, in plural it becomes emijera. Ri, ma. Then ru, na. We shall meet these words, n. These ones are mostly non-living things that don't change. Then ka, bu. Those are the noun classes that we have in Runyankole. Now we have the present indefinite, or the everyday tense that happens every day. This is a habitual tense in Runyankole. It is formed by putting the above prefixes before the verb stem. Thus, everyday tense equals subject prefix plus the verb stem. Verb is like kunda. Kunda, that is to love. Kunywa, to drink. Yeah. So if I want to say that you love, that is in singular. No kunda. No kunda chi. What do you like? Akunda, he loves. Akunda kushoma, she loves reading. Kunda, If we are many and you ask, what do you love? What do you like? Then I say, tukunda. We love. Then I have this word, mukunda. You love. That is a group of people. Mukunda kuira. Mukunda kurya. You love to eat. Bakunda. They love. We have people called Vankunda. They love me. Vankunda. You will meet those people who are called those names. Vankunda. There are those who are called Vanyanga. Hey, they hate me. That is people also called Vanyanga. No Yanga. No Nyanga, you hate. Anyanga, he hates. Twanga. Tumanga, we hate him. Vanyanga. That is, they hate me. Now, present indefinite tense, I've constructed some sentences to help you know how they made. Ninkunda kushoma. We saw this word of ku. Ninkunda kushoma. Ninkunda is I. I actually didn't put here, but it is I. Ninkunda. Ni. This word ni is I. I love reading. Or studying. Ni. That one we didn't put it. Jotunajiteko. Ninkunda sente. I love money. That word ni is I. I think we had seen it up there. The word ni. N is I. You get it? Ninkunda. No kunda chi. What do you love? We saw this word no kunda. It is here. No kunda. You love. So if I ask you, what do you love? And you reply, ninkunda sente. I love money. If I want to ask you, whom do you love? I will ask you, no kundoha. Whom? Oha is whom. If I say, no kundoha. No kunda oha. Whom do you love? Or who do you love? But it should be whom. Whom do you love? Whom do you love? Then you say, ninkunda iwe. Ninkundiwe. I love you. Then Anna akunda kushoma. Anna, she loves reading. Anna loves reading. You say Anna akunda kushoma. It is every day that she does that thing. Abana bakunda kuzana. Children love praying. That va ba is they. That is they, and a is he or she. So abana bakunda kuzana. Children love praying. Tata ni tu kunda. Tu, this two, we saw it here. It is here. Oh, sorry. This two kunda, it is we. So here I'm saying that Father, we love you. Father, tata ni tukunda. Ni mukunda kurya chi. What do you love to eat? Or what do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? Ni mukunda kuzana. You love praying. If I say ni mukunda kurya, you love eating. You get it? If I say ni mukunda kurya, you love eating. Ni mukunda kurya, you love eating. You love eating. Mukunda kulya. Then now we move to our next lesson. Our next, the very past, very near past tense. That is something that happened during the very day, like today. It is over. Maybe it happened in the morning. Maybe it is what you have done the whole day. So what you do is, that is what we call the past simple. You will put the subject prefix plus a, then plus the verb. The verb here is va, siva. So if I see a verb like, I want to bring out siva, that is to spend the day. This is the verb. You see, this one siva is the verb. This ku is just a prefix. Then I will say nasiva, I have spent the day. It can also mean that I have fasted. But in this term, I have spent the day. I, na, this na is I. Then ya is he or she. For the past tense, yasiba nkahi, where has he spent that day? Yasiba nkahi, that is where has he spent that day? Where has he spent that day? Yasiba muka, he has spent the day at home. Then wasiba muka, you have been at home. What have you done? Wasibumuka, wasibayo, meaning you have delayed. Yo, wasibayo, okusibayo is to delay. Twasiba, we have spent the day. Mwasiba, you in plural. This wasiba is singular you. Then we have mwasiba, you in plural. Then basiba bata. How have they spent the day? How are they? Basiba bata. Mwasiba muta, how are you? How are you? Twasiba je, we are okay. That is we. Twa is we. Where you see the word twa, meaning it is we. You is mwa, you in plural. Marire, Maria, have you eaten? You're asking a group. If you get one person, you say Yaria. You are asking whether that very person ate. Then we go now to the verb to be. To be. This verb is very irregular in Runyankole. I want to bring out, like, you see, Iva or Ri. So this verb can, I will bring you the application. The verb to be, like he is, that is to be something. So ndi, I am, this is possessive pronoun. Possessive, where you want to possess something. Ndi, ndije, ndi omuka, I am at home. Ndi omuka, ndi ahamurumo, I am at work. You get, I'm at work. Orinkahi, where are you? Orimurunji, you are good. You are good. Then arinkahi, arinkai, she is. Where is she? Arinkahi. arinanye. She is with me. She's with me. That is arinanye, but it comes from the word ari, which means he or she is. You get? I want you to learn how they applied. Arinkahi, you say arinanye. Ariaha, he is here. Ari aha, he is here. Turi, we are. Turubamwe. That means we are together. Turubamwe. Turibamwe. Turinkahi, where are we? Where are we? Turinkahi, where are we? That turi means we are. Turubahango, we are big. I want to put this one, something like turubahango. That means we are big. You get me? We are big. Turi bahango. Muri yuwa. Murubarunji. You are good. You are good. Then vari, they are. Baravata, how are they? Vari is they are something. Vari nitwe, vari naitwe. They are with us. Vari niwe, they are with you. Bari niwe, they are with you. They are with you. Varniwe. Yeah, exactly. Varniwe. They are with you. I think you're getting me clear. Now we go to, for the rest of the noun classes, the verb stem re indicates primarily to be in a place. Chiri omunju. Emotoka eri omunju. The car is in the house. That's why we have chiri nkahi, chiri omunju. Kuri okushaba kuri nkahi, kuri omunju. Kushaba kuri nkahi, kuri omunju. Oburo buri nkahi, buri omunju. Buri. It is. Amarwa garinkahi, guri. Omusyo gurinkahi, guri. That is, it is. Omusyo guri omunju. The knife is in the house. Amarwa gari omunju. Alcohol is in the house. Embuzi ziri omunju. Buri. Kari. Akana kari aheru. Buri. Okay. Now we have these words, they are emphatics, they are emphasizing something. Nicho, assuming somebody is denying that what he has is not what you're talking about, and then you say it is it. It is it. Like somebody has stolen your book and has changed it. Then he comes, nicho echi is meaning, is it this one? Nicho. Then you say, if there are many, you say nibyo. There are many books. Nibyo. Then nuko. Is it? Nugo, they are. Nuwo, nugo, niwo, niyo. So these ones actually are confusing words, but we shall meet them as we learn. And I thank you very much for listening to this lesson, and I hope you have learned some good things. You have learned how to construct sentences, and you are gradually becoming a Runyankole. Thank you so much. I remain Muhoozi Dennis Kafaras.